ang JTAGS Sports versus the WWASSACC or tinatawag na wasak. This is our 12 under division. Ayan. Sa mga bago pa po na ating live, baka pwede nyo pong i-follow and share our live para maging updated po sa ating mga highlights video and mga announcement po. And then sa mga pictures din rin. Alright. So game number 3, Sunday, August 25, 2024. And welcome to our game. Ayan, JTAGS versus the Wasak. Alright. Number 25. Tumira ng tres. Oy! 3 points. Ang ng bola. Binigay kay number 28. Again, susubukan ng depensa. Ayan na si Mighty Mouse tumira. Oh, swak na swak. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Uy, bagsak doon with a jump shot. What a nice shot by jersey number 25. Sa number 38, binigay. What a nice block by number 8. Aatake, binigay sa elbow. Tumira ng tres. Tismo. Outlet pass sa number 8. Oy! What a nice pass! Woo! By jersey number 8 to number 4. Number 25, Tismo to number 20. Oh! Number 4, pass sa number 8. Oh, sorry. Tismo again. Ni Yoyo, wala. Rebound again by Tismo. Tismo! Hubert! Naka-violet. Uy! Para nice! Chansey! No good. Rebound by number 25. Tismo to number 4. Number 4. Sure ball na sure ball again. Tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound by number 27. Number 26. Short. Rebound by number 28. Mare-recover. Binigay sa elbow. Number 25. Tismo. 4-3. Bang, bang, bang. Purple ball. Number 28. Susubok naman. Number 28. 3 points. Second shot. 2 for 2. Darius Ray. Kyrie. Uy. Rebound. No good. Rebound again by Tismo with a fadeaway shot by Hubert. The Wasak. Chu, may tangan ng bala. Binigay kay Posada. 4-3! 3 points sa ating Lady Ballers na si Posada. Number 4. Ayan na. The Mighty Mouse. What a nice floater by jersey number 8. Number 25. No good. Nandyan si number 27, Chu with a putback. Number 25, Hubert! Woo! And 1 by Hubert, Tismo. And there's a foul, number 8, that is first personal foul. Pasok ang kanyang bonus free throw by jersey number 2. Second personal foul, 4th team foul. Oy, nakalusot doon. number 27. 48-22. Baba sa 6 ang Kalamangan. Tismo naman ang susubok. Oh! Nice extra pass to 4. Number 4. Baba sa 4 ang Kalamangan. Chu, may tangan na bola. Aatake. With a jump shot. Last 6 seconds. Tismo. With a jump shot using the glass basket. Bayub. Binigay kay number 28. Pass to number 8. Binigay kay number 8. Chansey with the floater. Para nice shot by number 25. Pass to number 8. No good. Rebound by Chu. No good again. Rebound by Chu. And 1. Kylie Roche. Basket is good. Pupunta ang bola kay Tagle. Binigay kay 55. Boy, steal by Estrada. Tismo. No good. Rebound by Chu. 4-point lead. 8 seconds to shoot. Chu. Aatake sa gitna. Oy, what a nice extra pass to number 10. Ang ganda naman ng pasa noon. 3-point lead. Na lang ang inahabol ng mga nakaputi. Ayan na, si Tismo. Tismo with a pull-up J. Basket. Tinira sa 3. Pasok yan. Ayan na with a double team. Chansey. Borromeo naman. Ayan na with an extra pass. Tumanyo for 3. Oh! Chu. Nagmamadali. Chu. No good. Mapupunta ang bola kay number 28. Dasho with a jump shot. Oh! Pinapakita talaga ng mga naka-violet na height doesn't matter again. Oh! Man! Number 38, still by Banyo. Ayan na si Tismo. Hubert. Last 53 seconds. Number 8. Pass to number 4. Number 8. With a shot. No good. Rebound by Labayani. Put back. Ayan na. 69-71. Ayan na. Si Chansey. Borromeo. Naipit. Ayan na. Si Tagle. Oy! That's a traveling violation. Our game time. Last 15 seconds. And there's a foul. Chansey Borromeo. Basket. Balik tayo sa 3. Basket, 2 for 2 by Chansey Borromeo. At syempre ang mga nasa kabila, di sila papayag. Wala na po. Okay, last 11 seconds.
Simbahan kami ni Mama. Simba kayo ngayon? Opo. Nagsisipiyaw na.
Number 22, and there's a foul. 2 shots by jersey number 22 and foul number 28. That is second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots by jersey number 22. Tagle. Oh! Crucial free throw. 4-point lead para sa Violet. Dito. Ayan na. Sino kukuha? Makukuha na number 25. Jersey number 34. 2 shots by jersey number 27. No good. Last 4 seconds po. Uy! Hindi daw pwede yun. Last 4 seconds, 4-point lead para sa Wasak. Tagle for 3, no good. Okay na po. Nice game and congratulations. What a nice intense game para sa labang ito. The WASACC Basketball Club won the game against the JTAGs with a final score of 73-69 in favor of the Wasak. At ang ating player of the game, walang iba kundi si Hubert Tismo with a 26 points, 10 rebound, 5 assists, and 3 steals. Ayan, congratulations by jersey number 25, Hubert Tismo. Alright, next game.